to get the authentic editorial slight definition to the lashes without any mascara. Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. Welcome to my channel. Whenever I've worn this, some people have told me that they like the way I wore mascara, so slightly, but the truth is I wasn't wearing any. So it was a well kept secret until now. It's just clean skin with clean eye, and by clean eye I mean no kajal, no mascara, anything. This is one version, and this is the version I like. Like, I would just leave it here. I would just take a mascara brush, spritz some water on it, and just apply it on the eyelashes like that to separate them, and also to just make sure that the powder on the lashes that gets stuck sometimes, that is cleaned. That's important. You know, I don't want to go out with powder stuck there. This is a very good skin look. You know, you can just change the lip color, like go for a nude lip color, and this could be like your everyday skin for work or for party, or for even if you're a college going girl. If you just change this lip color, the skin pretty much works everywhere. And people have told me that I have like long lashes, so many times I don't need to use mascara. You can of course go ahead and put mascara, but my preference is to just leave it like this, to just remove powder on your lashes, give your lashes a good curl like that. Like that. See what a difference curling your lashes makes. A little bit of a before and after for you guys. You can see that after removing the powder and curling the lashes, there is a subtle definition to the lashes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, and if there's anything else, let me know that you would like me to make a video on.
Subscribe for more makeup therapy and good vibes.